Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to take the fingerprint moulds that you will need to send to me in order to have your fingerprint jewellery made. It's very, very simple for you to do at home and really quick and easy. When you get your kit from me, you will have in it a little pot of blue putty and a little pot of white putty. Okay, so you'll also have in there a little piece of paper and a little bag to pop it in that just asks you just to pop the name down of the person whose print that is. So I'm just going to go ahead and write my own name on here, just like so, so that I know whose print this is when I come to use it. So we need to keep these pots separate because as soon as this putty molds together, it will start to set. You've got enough putty in here to make at least 2 or 3 fingerprints depending on the size. So I'm just going to break this white here into 3 little small amounts. Okay, just pop them next to each other, about equal size. Then I'm going to do the same with the blue, just on the other side of my tray here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so to make my first mould, I'm just going to take 1 little blob of blue putty, 1 little blob of white putty, and I'm really just going to mix them together. So I'm just squashing them together just like Play-Doh or something. Like that. You can roll them in your hand, that will help them to mould together nice and quickly. As you can see there, that's moulding together, but it's still quite marbled. So we need to just keep going until we've got 1 solid blue colour. So we'll just keep going, keep moulding that together. Okay, we can see there that now is 1 nice solid blue colour. So we're just going to pop that down. I'm going to pop it on here on top of my little space in a nice, just like ball shape, the size of about a marble. And then I'm just going to take my own finger for this demonstration. Obviously you'll be taking the finger of the child or whoever it is that you want to have the print made from. I'm just going to place it firmly down and squash down into that shape. Okay, I'm going to hold it there for a second or 2, not for very long. And I'm going to very carefully remove it out. Okay. What you should be able to see there, I don't know how clearly you'll be able to see, but what you should be able to see there is that you've got some detail nicely into that mould there. And it really is that simple. We'll leave that to set for about 10 or 15 minutes. When that's set quite hard, if you want to check to see if it's set properly, just somewhere where it's not going to affect the print, you can just use a fingernail or something just to prod into the side of the putty, and just if it leaves an indentation, then it's not quite set yet. If it doesn't really mark very easily, then that's fine. That's what you want it to be like. So when that is set nicely, you've got your little bag. That will probably just stick to that piece of paper there. Pop it into your bag. Send it back to me and I will turn it into something beautiful. Here's a little charm I made earlier that's actually made with my fingerprint, so you can see what you get there. Thanks very much for watching, and hopefully now you'll be feeling confident to make your children's fingerprints. Thanks very much, bye.